Thanks for stopping by my channel. I have a fun springtime project that is quick and easy, like I try to do on all my projects. Since it's springtime and the flowers are budding around here, it's just time to get some kind of lighter things, some projects that entail like things like cotton rope. And the wreath that you'll be making is going to end up looking like this. I've heard them called Hampton wreath or a Nantucket wreath. I'm not quite sure the name of it, but all I know is it's super easy. And I've also going to link the video that I made at Valentine's where the base of it is using the felt strips. And I'll kind of explain that. But if you want to take a look at that video, it will help you, give you an idea of how to cover the styrofoam wreath and go from there and make this really cool rope wreath. So let's get started.
To start the project, you'll need some cotton rope. Mine is a 1/2 inch size and they're about 11 feet long. And I also have some thin string to match, and I need scissors and a styrofoam wreath form. Now you'll notice that I have some felt already wrapped around the styrofoam. I am going to link a video where I previously did that for Valentine's, and so it's quick and easy. I'm going to, if you want to take a look at how to do that. So I'm basically just reusing that from my Valentine's wreath that I made. So what I'm doing is I use a straight pin. I don't need any glue at all, and I just start wrapping the cotton rope around it. And you basically just want to make sure that you're tightening up the inside radius part of the rope. It's going to gap on the outer edge, but that's fine. Now I'm at the end of my first rope, and because it's a little bit longer, I wanted to cut it, make sure it was on the back side. But you want to put a little piece of tape around it so it doesn't splay out. And so that's what I did. I used a little bit of tape, some more, another pen, and then I'm starting another one on the back side. And again, I'll just start wrapping that around, but you can't see any of that on the front. So I just continue wrapping this around, and you'll notice that there are, see how the gaps are? That's totally fine, but you just want to make sure that you are tightening up the rope on the inside radius. Now I'm nearing the end of the covering the wreath, and let me just show you how you're going to end it. You're basically just going to make sure that that last little bit of rope covers like that, and then you'll cut it off and pin it. So now, to me, this is kind of the fun part, is I take some thin cotton string, and you could, mine matches the thicker cotton, but you could use, you know, some brown jute twine, or if you have other colors, it's totally fine. I just wanted a natural look, and you just start wrapping it around in between each one of the larger rope. Now to make a ribbon, I'm just going to use some natural twill ribbon, and I take the loops and wrap it around just to make a real simple bow. So quick and easy. See how easy that is? And then I also have some navy and white for an accent, and I do the same thing where I take the loops, loop it around, bring it through, and another bow. And then I just kind of tighten it up. And then to attach it, all I do is take a push pin and push it through the back side of the striped ribbon into the twill ribbon, and it attaches perfectly. Look how easy that is. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you could, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. I would love to hear what you think about this project. Until next time, we'll see you soon.